Good day everyone, gentlemen again, and welcome to our channel. Today I will be making a crispy chicken slices and served in sweet and sour sauce. I am using a chicken, but feel free to change the chicken to pork, to fish, to shrimp, or even fish, even seafood. By the way, for first time on our channel, after watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, may I remind you, kindly click the bell down there so that you will be notified by the next uploading of our video. So, our ingredients for our sweet and sour chicken slices. Okay, we have 500 grams of chicken fillet slices, and then we also have, of course, our white pepper and our salt for seasoning, and our vegetables. We have onions, red and green bell peppers, carrots, ginger, and raisin. Okay, so we'll mix everything later with all of this. Okay, and then okay, so there are our ingredients. So of course we don't forget our pineapple tidbits. Okay, and our chicken stock, 1 cup, plus our vinegar, that is 1/4 cup. So the ratio is 1:4 when it comes to vinegar and stock. And of course, 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup. Okay? So, we will now prepare our sweet and sour sauce. Okay? Okay? Our chicken stock, our vinegar, our ketchup, of course 1/4 cup sugar, and 1/4 tablespoon cornstarch to thicken, since that is 1 cup. Now we put the vinegar in the saucepan, and we will have to boil it. We have to reduce it to half of its volume. Okay, so that we can do away with the not so nice taste of the vinegar if it is not cooked. Got it, guys? So now we're boiling it. We're reducing it to half of its volume. Okay, so you just wait, and then we will add a chicken stock with cornstarch. Okay, so we'll just have to mix the cornstarch into the chicken stock, and then stir it with a small whisk like this, and then we'll pour it into the boiling vinegar. Okay, got it, guys? So, and then of course you have to stir it, but gently, okay, until it thickens, because if you don't stir it, lumps would develop into the mixture. Okay, so now it's already thick. Okay, and then we will add the stock, or the juice of the pineapple tidbits, and then we will add the sugar, and then the tomato ketchup. Okay, the sugar goes there, and of course the 1/2 cup of tomato ketchup. Okay, then stir. Okay, so now we have to stir it again, but we will add a crushed ginger. One slice of ginger, you just crush it and then add it into the mixture. Okay, then we will simmer this and we will set this aside. We will serve it with our the dish later on. Now we start with our chicken slices. Okay, first we have to combine the salt and pepper and mix well. Okay, there it goes. We have to mix it and then we will use it to season the chicken. Okay, so there. Okay, now we will season our chicken with this salt and pepper. Okay, all you have to do is just to sprinkle it. Just sprinkle it. This way. Okay, and then you just have to turn it, mix it, so that we can season it properly, at least on all sides of the chicken. Okay, so there it goes. So now the chickens are seasoned. We'll just have to brown it. We will preheat a pan or a wok, and then add the oil, and then heat the oil. Okay, then we will combine the cornstarch and the all-purpose flour. We will dip our chicken slices into the mixture of cornstarch and all-purpose flour. So now the pan is already with oil is already hot. Now we will dip the chicken slices into the mixture and then put it directly into the hot oil, so that the mixture of cornstarch and all-purpose flour will make it crisp. Okay, but we have to do it one by one. Okay, we'll do this to all of the slices. Okay, there it goes, our chicken slices. Okay, so okay, almost ready now, but we have to turn it, because we're not doing this in the fryer, but we also have to prepare our container, a colander, with paper towel, so that the excess oil will be absorbed by the paper towel. Okay, so there it goes. It's almost done. We'll now take it out and put it into the colander with the paper towel, so that we can go away with the excess oil that clings into the chicken slices. Get it, guys? So there it goes. Okay, then we do it to the other chicken. Okay, now our chicken slices nicely fried and crisp. We will just set it aside, and then we will use it to finish our dish later on. Okay, so our sauce is now, we will put our sauce into the basting pan and put the chicken slices into it. Okay. Of course, we have to turn on the heat. And then add all the remaining ingredients. The vegetables, the peppers, the onions, the raisin, the ginger. We have to add everything into the mixture, the pineapple. And then we will just have to stir it and cook it for about maybe a minute. About a minute. And then we just have to mix it properly. And then later on, we'll just have to transfer it into our serving dish. Yes. First, we have to mix it properly. Make sure that all the sauce is well distributed, all the ingredients. And then it's well heated. Okay. And then not for long because we don't have to overcook our vegetables. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, now we have to transfer this into our serving dish, and of course we will serve it. Okay, now it is already in our serving dish. Our chicken slices in sweet and sour sauce, ready to serve. Okay, guys, I hope you get my point in preparing this special dish, the sweet and sour crispy chicken slices. Okay, so I believe I have shown you how to fry a crispy slices of meat, be it a chicken, a pork, or a fish, or a seafood. For our sauce, always remember, always reduce the vinegar to half of its volume. And the ratio, for every cup of stock, use 1/4 cup of vinegar. Then you just have to reduce it to half of its volume. By the way, for comments, suggestion, and recommendation, and maybe some reaction, kindly write down below so that I could make the necessary action regarding your comments, suggestion, and reaction. And also, don't forget to click the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. So guys, see you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.